once you have logged in on the application, you'll be able to select any one of these applications here to pretty much play. It's pretty much a cloud gaming application. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna scroll, you can search for what you want by just using the search icon at the top. I'm gonna search for car parking multiplayer, and I'm gonna tap on the start option.
Alright boys, so there's a much better Windows emulator out there for Android, and it's called GameHub.
So once the ad is finished, all I have to do is just tap on the X, and I'll be able to start playing car parking multiplayer on my device. So once you have X'd off this, here it will take a while to load. So once it's loaded, you're pretty much good to go. As you can see, it's taking a while to load. Do make sure your internet connection is good. Sometimes it may say connection failed, just tap on it and retry again. And as you can see here, it's pretty much loaded. And I can pretty much go ahead and play car parking multiplayer on this here. So I'll just tap on continue. I'll be able to play car parking multiplayer on this cloud gaming application here, which is crazy. And I can tap on over here and pretty much add connection or gaming time. Right now, I only have 14 minutes of gaming time, and all I have to do is just pretty much watch an ad to get more gaming time. Also, I can increase the graphics as it relates to this here. I can set it to HD, Ultra HD, and let me just apply the settings here. As you can see here, will pretty much increase the graphics of the game, or HD options here. So do keep in mind, make sure you have good internet connection or it won't work properly. And as you can see here, you have different features as it relates to gaming on this here. It will be like you're using your own device playing the games. It's a very good application. If I missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. Stay tuned for more.